Shebi una say una don hire lawyer. Where una lawyer dey? He I first dey Lagos now. I dey Lagos actually. Because you wan get money, you wan get influence. See jobless Ebuka Obi wey in business crash for Idumota. Maybe they carry money. If you finish for there, go Igbo. Otorelwe, go carry Ashawu. Finish him money now. Arrange name maragama Ebuka Obi arrange name maragama. Oshi nezu maragama Oshi nezu maragama. Ndi Igbo. Maybe una say una don hire lawyer. Where una lawyer dey? Me, I first dey Lagos now. I dey Lagos as we dey talk. Where una lawyer? Make we dey go court. Name the court. Me, I go first on I reach there. We are the lawyers of Zion. And come down what you know one after the other. Una dey here. Una mama from A to Z scatter there. And
they ask you, who dey speak to this young man's life?
I say, Ganjo, Efa, or truly Ijele, call an AI, they go. Let us analyze this thing. You got that? Because na Udogu Bashawumba Lucia na court. We deny was here, we say no AI, we feel a book, no report, no. So we could, as young guy analyze this video, or AI we feel a book. Ko Ijele we feel a bamba. Can you say AI we don't have bamba this year? And they don't forget that don't forget that again there will so many AIs in Obana Bambaketa. AI can get because take me to court. All court okay roll. Madu was here go if any no you will say Kedi Fekazilo obi Oji name Otuni no name Eboma no low court or go back to go. Keta o deny go no AI. Actually, me machine no wa. Enwere ike iji we access all those videos they know better. Can we malo o the AI nwere ike do this kind of accurate with the body movement okolo omi even you know I want to know I'm a no man say Yahoo na okay for this particular AI. This particular AI we Ijele ogopuni ha gopo. AI bu flyer nọrọ na Lagos road na Abuja road na Abagari e won megaphone dey gbogu AI ya ndo show na lolo ifa ya lu mmadu bo o AI dey gbogu a opuru na mamozi ife na afọ onye agusiri unu na Ijele Ijenga is inevitable. Yes, I was thinking that na area of Okuye Wuzi ko kpotazie Ebuka Obi ke Ebuka Obi bezie na court bia provezie no na agwa onye isi na agwa onye ngwolo oluzie deny ife ni no kwuru ekwu kwuwe no AI nya no video alụ na obolo nya nwa onye no na the video no AI mmata amuzu kpuru AI ya AI ya na other AI zika no keta na aba maka ndị AI ka nko keta na aba ma ndị gbagoro nsọ ma AI ndị gbagoro nsọ ma ndị ka ya bụ ọsọ ana abambo no na n'isi aneko ọda na omume ego bag go take me to court but I no lawyer on okwifu give the legal thing can do okwifu you asked for it and you got it. You asked for it, now you have gotten it. For ndị kana pụta abịakọ ọ na-agọkwa agụgọ si no AI bụ onye na-ekwu this thing. I want us to assess this video very well. Ka anyị mara ụdị AI dị fa. Ịmakwa ụdị AI ya nweghị onye anyị eji na-enapụ ego. And so many videos o merụ AI merie. AI bụrụ bana ọ na-akpagharị na Lagos na-akpagharị ebe niile. AI ya ndelu AI ya dị. To avoid you ipụta niile. See from Emeka go AI. See from Ikenna go AI. Or see from Eboyison go AI. Miri leuti no bo. because I can with so many people here may change their identity to AI. They what I go or quite a proof here. And well, every equipment I do in the video, when my killing or robot to the equifa, man no AI, one of the fa. They what I go. Makonye once no chance no AI. Onye win them one the way you push and them one the way you no AI. Or if you AI kazinko, if you know you're going to get up a business where you call AI. If you know what I want, you send the ego transport. No, you have go na ekpa na phone. O nwere ike wu AI. Onye ọ na agozi AI. Even on can na-ekwu ebe akita or AI na-ekwukwe. E gotago until you prove otherwise. So, let us wait. E gotana and see the fate of that AI non prison. E gotago. Let us wait and see the fate of that AI. A grant go bail, but the adupo unable. The first person so na Nigerian fugolu enyelu bail. Getting to 1 week age when you bail, we meet him with bail condition here. January 4th for him. That is to show you the kind of personality Ijele. If you go any reputable Igbo man that is speaking for him, have you seen any reputable Igbo man that is speaking for him? If you get any genuine Igbo man, level and effort about Ijele. Nobody is talking about Ijele. Both on a government, both on the business, not a business card. He is more like forgotten, as if he hasn't even existed before. What I go? A butterfly calling itself a bird. I will keep saying it. For then I say you are mocking him, Uno need to examine Polono. Because one of them one and your bully now. I will keep doing it because the rest of you were molako. Atame me no ka the rest of you were molako. Ona anyo obuno ona ba today I will go AI Ijele, AI king of the game, AI undiluted truth, AI in prison, AI granted bail, AI I watch us go my what I go examine on this video or AI the fact because I'm getting confused. Or AI the fact or AI the fact is this AI Zapad Jua Mando to Zana Jua or Wana AI Uzubo or Wana AI or Brosco Mother Kaiden and Bekife also AI with the face into behind king of the game, undiluted truth and the Ijele Nukumomo Ijele speak Dalon.